Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device model and OS version, because menus differ between vendors. Once that's noted, back up any custom block list so you can restore entries if needed. Open your phone app, tap Menu or More, then Settings. This gets you straight into call handling options. Make sure to also check for carrier or third-party spam apps listed on the same screen. These can override system settings. Now tap Call Blocking or Spam Protection to begin removing the blocker. Once in Call Blocking or Spam Protection, toggle the system spam filter off so the phone stops intercepting calls. Next, open any third-party spam blocker app you find. Choose Disable or Uninstall if you want it removed. If uninstall isn't possible, remove its phone and contacts permissions and revoke notification access so it cannot block or redirect calls. Make sure to check app settings for overlay and default phone app assignments, because those settings can keep blocking active even after disabling the main toggle. After disabling the relevant toggles and app permissions, restart your device to ensure changes take effect. Then test from a second phone to confirm calls come through. If you had a saved block list, restore only necessary entries and re-enable trusted filters instead of broad blockers. If you still experience blocked calls, reset network settings or check whether your carrier enforces spam filtering. Contact carrier support as a last step. A key troubleshooting tip: temporarily set default phone app to the system dialer to isolate app-related blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.